If you want to set up a screen time goal on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we can open Settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now over here we can find the screen time goal section, and we can tap on Set Goal in order to do so. So we can choose how much time we want to, in theory, spend on our tablet. So let's say I'm gonna set it to 2 hours. There we go, let's press Done. And that's pretty much it. Now we have 2 hours that we can spend on our tablet. Of course, if we exceed that time, we will be notified about it. We can also tap on the current goal in order to switch it up. And we can also tap on the option itself in order to see how we manage to keep ourselves within the goal. Of course, if it's green, then we just made within the 2 hour mark, at least in this case 2 hours, of course. And if it's red, then of course it means that we went over the goal. If you want to remove the screen time goal, then you can tap on the goal and we have the delete option in here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.